Hello and welcome to the channel. Just digging about in an old toolbox of my dad's and came across this Hazet 916S. Now it says CHR here and Van here, so I'm assuming it's Chrome Vanadium. Looks like that's how they used to mark them up, and it's got Germany stamped in there. Nice deep stamp in that. Haven't really found out much about this. This is a 1/2 inch version, and I believe it has 32 teeth. Reversible, right and left written on there as well. Nice and clear. Not much on the back. It's not quick release or anything, and it's got this unusual shaped handle. This particular one's been well used. You can see there it's got a lot of the chrome has come off the edge there and there, probably from where it's been put down like that. Got a bit of damage there as well, and strangely it has a hole in the end. Doesn't go very deep, but there's a little hole there in the end. So I thought I would open this one up and just see what it's like inside. Got two Phillips head type screws holding it together. Get those out. They feel loose, but they're not coming out. There we go, there's one. And there's two. So if you push this back here, it comes off. Yeah, it looks like it probably has got about 32 teeth on it. That pulls out of there. It's got a lot of grease on this. Way too much, I think. What would be nice would be to refurbish it. It still actually seems to work okay. No issues with the way it works. I don't think this needs replacing. I think you can buy these parts here, the ratchet sort of part. That just fits on there nicely. Can't remember which way that went now. It's that way, isn't it? And there you've got the mechanism inside there, which flips from right to left. Still feels okay. It's got a lot of grease in it. I assume at some point it has been re-greased. I don't think this is original. Won't have done it any harm though, I wouldn't imagine. They look fine, the teeth looks fine on those. I don't know if that comes out or not. It seems to be attached to this switch here, so I'm not sure how you'd get that out. And you can just make out there's a little ball bearing that holds it in whichever position you've got it in. You can just see that the center bit pushes it down and then it just flips over. Very simple design, probably the same design as 99% of other ratchets. Just pop that back on there. There we go. Very well made, very thick, everything about it is really solid. I think it's just nice to have an old tool in the toolbox that's still going. They probably are the original screws actually. They fit really well. A lot of newer ratchets tend to have those star shaped sort of T screws, whatever they're called. Still nice and positive. Probably very quiet because of all the grease that's in it. Let's try a socket on it. Yeah, very tight. Everything's rock solid, secure. No movement in that at all. Tiny bit of movement in that. I might not have screwed it down tight enough. Let's have a go. Tiny bit of movement you can see, but I would imagine it's pretty old, so it's probably had a lot of wear. Nothing that a lot of modern ratchet handles haven't already got. And now my hands are too greasy to pull that off. No, I'm not getting that off with these hands covered in grease. It's really secure. But yeah, what a nice find. An old Hazet 916S. 916, maybe the steel that's used, because that's the type of stainless steel, 916. Maybe that's what the S means. If anyone's got any information on this, just drop a comment about it. I'd like to know roughly what year it was made. It's probably it must be before 1990, I think, because I'm trying to think when my dad was a mechanic. He was a mechanic in the 70s, 80s, so it must be about that period, I would think, unless he bought it at a later date. But I don't remember him buying tools like this in the 90s, because he wasn't really on the tools then. He'd become a transport manager, so he didn't really have much use for tools, and this one looks like it's been well used. So either somebody's given it to him, he can't remember, either he bought it before then or somebody's given it to him, we don't know. But there you go, a nice Hazet 916S. Thanks for watching.